Kajing Shakriyo Parabrio Kade Kajing Shakriyo Play. Mentak sengi nak kalian ke SBI Zonal Office Shillong hapok kajing ilam jong General Manager ke SBI Zonal Shillong utang boy lun kiam kalalek ban ai Jingiarap ya ka wayne ki ying ri Khunswet ka open day shelter ka badan ha krat Nongmensong bopanyat da ka Reach Ministries Shillong. Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor, General Manager ke SBI Zonal Shillong oleh thu banakaliang ke State Bank of India, hakaway ni kirukam trekam balat tip kum ka corporate social responsibilities, kila kenir ikan ka kam ban ai Jingiarap, ya kan ka yeng ka balum la kudup ikin ki kena Khunswet, da ka jing iet bat ai jing ikai ru iki, haki babon ki liang nalor ka jing pa school yaki. Shushu la ang balada don ki badan kam Jingiarap na kaliang ka bang ki kloy ban yarap. Henry gipat ba ki hak bandek hi dala di syakini ki bang ban pan Jingiarap.
We are privileged that today we could donate this rice and grocery items for the benefit of the children who are parentless and children who are running away from their parents. The 24 Hours Crisis Management Center for Children, operating under the Reach Ministry Shillong, had been running for the upliftment of these children. So State Bank of India is privileged to be a part of it, and we have donated this rice and grocery items estimating around 90,000, nearly less than about 1 lakh of rupees. This may not be sufficient for the needs of the organization, but however we feel that this will go a long way being a part of this organization. We are very much a part of this organization by helping the cause of these children. So State Bank shows our love and concerns and care for the children who are underprivileged. This is the mission that we also follow. And under these corporate social responsibilities, we donate these things on behalf of State Bank of India. Thank you so much.
And food item.
Yes, as far as we have been donating in Assam, in all the 7 states, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, it has been done in various parts of the states, this kind of donation. The branches or the regional office, wherever they are located, wherever demands are there, State Bank has been doing it. See, this is part of the activities based wherever we feel that there are dire needs, State Bank do step in. Yeah, I think whoever needs help, definitely they will be banking with one of our branches in State Bank of India. So I'm sure that you are having account with us, being the largest bank in the Northeast country. So obviously you can always talk to the branch manager who is there and he can guide you.
Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor ibapan kraw bok lang nongpir ibari bapet yakini ki khna ilai thu ya karukom ri karukom im bat karukom ai ji hikai bakin la ban yang halaki jongki kijat pat anda kila don la ka kam ka jam kila ban mi no na kani ka center shushu ilai thu bahadu pantahi kade ka center da jingkur khu jong blai kam don satya ka jingkur du bam Henry na ka jingwan ai Marbam ka State Bank of India menta ka sngi kin salapat ban sam yakini shaki wei pat ki khna ki bajuwan shaka open day shelter ka wei ne kitana trekam joka center ka baju ai bam yaki khna surok ki banadu south nam hadu khatpras nam karta
kendai ngot kita kini ke bak nadu spau do khatpras nam kan de kini ki khna ki dan apre jongki ke ba ka is ka jongki ka barang biang kemun ngi phai ki de school de ki dan ki khna pat ki bawan na kalong yang nama ba kim dan ka family background ka jongki ba kim la ban pa school de ki is ka jongki ka kam mehap so ki ban pa school de ngi phai ki de kini ki vocational trainings de nalon nang tapat gidan ya kani ka aftercare ka pangikhat ka aftercare program kamot kadai yaki khna ki ba above 18 de once kini khna ka lakras ka 18 years ka janjar bayangi bangin kita yang yaki nama ba dan napring joki kidi often kim dan bahiyang bahasam de lakras ka 18 years kim padan ka kam ka jam ka babiang de ngile kum nang ikete yaki hakani ka aftercare de lingba kani ka aftercare kamot ipet yaki hikai yaki kini life skill kumno ba ki la ban penan kam ha ki jing jong ki kum kini ki pen ni lingba kini training sa bangi pha ki Dia kemud ki yo kini kam ki jam baling ba jong kini kam ki jam ki kemud kila banyeng hal ki jong ki jat kan. The once dia kila stable ka job bat kila yo dia ka jing em ko babyang dia kemud ni release ki nang ne. Dia dangsian ru ila de release anut ki kena nang ne. Dia way dia ba kan terus nam tambah ka ila release yo nama ba udang dan family andai tambah ba ka dan bak yo kolong ba ulai yo kam da bat ka yo asnan ya ka jakasa. Dia way ru ila de release yo dia utau la keras ya ude arpos nam. Dia urung la release ulit ya kena ke beauty parlor dia mau urung la yo ya kam ka jam hi ko biang di ki jakasa dia kita ki program ki bangi kandak ang ne kan ke jing aingu jong blay ke jing jong blay kim jan ke jing kerdu nama ba kom kari chi nama gidan la ki jong sponsor bat ka fund ka ba ai ka government dia kala long ke jing kerku sisa ka ba bun kan nama ba ngimdan jing kerdu ka ba dia wat la na kan long na kataru nama gidan sakoi ka department ka pangiran hang ne ka bangikat ko open day shelter kania pat ngi kata ya ki kena ki ba underprivileged ki ba long street children ki ba wana ka long yang ka bedok de kini ka is ka long ki ka dina do 4 years ado 18 years de kini ki kena ki jiwan tang mensingi de lingba jingwan ka ka pandemic pat kim yo syo banwan de ndai lingba ka jingiarap jong ki sponsor ba lingba ko government milala banyarap ya ki lingba ka food distribution bat kumawan ka ka set bank mentaru lingba kini ki marbam milala banyarap ya ki ru kan in kebun himon nama because kawai kadi kamtam kini ki bali school because we have to conduct online classes and all they but conduct online classes sama gidan ki bali school menta kita nyongon they once they started the online class kamu kajen jaringi bangin kata yaki nama filasoi online classes kamu gidan kam kini ki mobiles kini ki computer ki laptop they kata kadi we kajen nama ba ki hapsong ba hayeng dia kamtam kini so kini ki balik vocational training nama kimi ali training skill susong hayeng dia kakta eka mentality jong kiru kenteng teng tambah syu ang ngidan bak pangidan counselor jongi dia lingba ke jong jingdan jong i pa ngilala ban counseling yaki tengi yarap yaki kan dia ka hakwe kaliang tu kalalong sisa kanika pandemic kalalong sisa ka ba khangla ya barok kan kamta meki kena nama ba hakajing i jongi nama bangin tel yaki kena hakwe ka jaka kamde ke basuk dia kata ka de kui ka jing e kan ka bangisam